Hello friends, if your TSN app is not working and you want to know how to fix this issue, so keep watching this video. Today we are going to fix why TSN app is not working properly. So let's get started. There may be several reasons behind this issue. Today, we are going to provide you all solution for iPhone users. If you are Android user, video link is in description box. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is fully working and you are getting good internet speed. Because sometimes due to internet issue, apps not working properly. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 2. Update your app. Make sure you are running latest version of your TSN app. Open up App Store on your device and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the app. And if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. Because sometimes some updates may create these type of issues, so make sure your app is up to date. Please note, check compatibility of your device. Your smartphone should be running iOS 14 or higher. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 3. Then you need to clear app cache. For this, go to your device settings and then scroll down to find General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the app and then tap on it. Once you are on this screen, you need to tap on Offload app. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should fix the issue. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 4. Now you need to completely reinstall the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to navigate all the way to the app page. Once you're on this screen, tap on Delete app to uninstall the app from your device. Once uninstalled, open up App Store and then search for the app here. And then click on this Get button to install it back on your device. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 5. Check device date and time setting. Make sure your device date and time is according to your time zone and corrected, or you can say time should be accurate. If you still facing same issue, then try solution 6. Restart your phone. Sometimes restarting devices automatic resolve these types issues. Hopefully this will fix the issue, and if it did, then please give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to give support our channel. If you still facing same issue, this mean app server is down or the app is in under maintenance. In that case, wait for couple of hours and then try again. By using these methods you can fix your app not working problem. Hope you like this video. If yes, then hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.